What chores do you remember seeing last week? Yes, Nehir. I can't unmute your microphone, Nehir. I don't know why. Down at the bottom of the screen on your left, there's a mute button there. Make sure it's open. All right. Who can I ask? Adrian. Adrian, can you tell me any chores you remember from last week?
I do homework.
Okay, we do homework. So this is a chore we use with the word do. Thank you very much. And Ibrahim?
İşte ben yine el hareketleri yapıyorum. Sesim açsın diye. iPad'den yapıyorum.
Question, I'm asking about chores. You were in the classroom last week, and I'm asking about chores. So, what chores do you remember about last week? Ümit? We can't hear you, Ümit. Okay, Berensu? Wash the dishes or do the dishes. Okay, I do the dishes. Okay, this is a chore. Okay, Selin, what chore do you remember from last time?
I make additions.
What?
I make additions. Ya teacher tam olarak hatırlayamıyorum.
Make what? I didn't understand. Make food, make the bed.
Dishes.
Do
Dishes.
the dishes, no. Not make dishes, but do the dishes. Okay. All right. I do dishes. I make lunch. Anyone else to tell me what chores they remember? Okay. I will start by showing you. Look at me. I'll show you some chores, and you tell me what this chore is. So. What chore is this? Yes, Kema?
Make a cook.
No. Look, I'm showing you. There's a cat or a dog. Okay, Adrian wants to answer it. Yes, Adrian?
Make food.
No, not make food. Guys, I have a cat and a dog, and I'm giving that cat food. So what's this? What chore is this? Okay?
Feed a pet.
Yes, you're feeding the pet. By the way, guys, last week's homework, some people didn't send their homework. Celine, for example, you didn't send your homework, did you? No. Sena, you didn't send your homework. Nehir, where's your homework? Ümit, where's your homework? Guys, this is school. You have to do your homework. There's nothing I can do. I wrote your names on the list, and I'll send that list to Murbe. It's not my problem, really. You have homework to do, and you're supposed to finish it. You're supposed to do it and send me the pictures. Musa, where's your homework? Okay, so all these are chores. Now today, what we're going to do is we are going to be looking at two things. We are going to be looking at have to and has to. Remember, we talked about have to and has to, okay? Does anyone remember have to and has to? Yes, Adrian, you're supposed to send a picture of the homework on WhatsApp. Does anyone remember the Turkish meaning of has to and have to? We looked at it last week. Yes, Dohan.
Yazmıştık.
What?
Zorunluluk.
Exactly. So for example, we have some chores in the house that we have to do. I have to make the bed. I have to make breakfast. I have to do the dishes. I have to do the laundry. She has to feed the cat. So have to and has to shows what Doğan said is zorunlu. Okay, so first we'll start by practicing. So please look at the screen. We'll start by practicing a dialogue together, where we'll ask these questions. Look at activity 3, page number 28. Look at activity 3 of page 28. Does he have to feed the cat? So we'll look at page 28, and here there is a picture, okay? And in this picture, there is a boy. His name is Tony. Now, in the picture, we can see all chores he has to do. So here, there are no dirty dishes. So he doesn't have to do the dishes. He doesn't have to do the dishes. But here is his school bag. Okay, so most likely there is homework in there. So he has to do his homework, okay? So I want you to look at the picture and using these answers, can you tell me with a sentence, okay? Make a sentence. He has to do his homework. He doesn't have to do his homework. You use this and make sentences and tell me. So I will start with some people, please. Let's start with Alperen. Can you tell me what chores he has to do or what chores he doesn't have to do? I told you he has to do his homework. He has got a book, so he has to do his homework. Okay. Anything else? Look at this. Alperen, I'm talking to you. Ah, I'm sorry. Alperen, your microphone is not on. I can't turn on your microphone. Okay, it's on. Yes, Alperen.
Sizi tam anlayamadım da.
Look, I'm saying we're looking at a picture, and this is Tony. He is in the kitchen. This is page 28 of your Big Thinker books. Tony is in the kitchen, and if you look at Tony, there are some chores, there are some chores Tony has to do. For example, here's his school bag, and he has got a book, so he has to do his homework. So I want you to look at the picture and find different chores that he has to do or doesn't have to do. He has to do his homework. He doesn't have to blah, blah, blah. What? You can use these sentences as examples. Clean the room, do the dishes, walk the dog, feed the cat, take out the trash, make a cake.
He doesn't clean the room.
He doesn't have to.
He doesn't have to clean the room.
Yes, so it's very clean, right? The kitchen is very clean, so he doesn't have to clean the room. Thank you very much, Alperen. Okay, someone else. Let's talk to someone else. Who hasn't spoken? Emre. Emre, can you hear me?
What, teacher?
Yes, so there's a picture here, and this is Tony, and these are some jobs, some chores he has to do. So he has to study for a test. He has to feed a cat. He doesn't have to feed the cat. For example, you have to make sentences like that, using these sentences and looking at the picture. He has to, he doesn't have to. Which one is it?
Teacher?
Yes.
Ben biraz sonra geldim de ondan sonra şey yapamadım.
Okay, please listen carefully now. Yes, Ecrin Rana. Ecrin Rana, can you hear me? Yes, can you make a sentence like Alperen did? He has to clean the room. Look at the picture and look at the chores and make a sentence, a positive or negative sentence about what he has to do. Ibrahim? an example of a sentence. You're going to look at the picture and find chores he has to do or he doesn't have to do. For example, Alperen says, Tony doesn't have to clean the kitchen because the kitchen is clean. So use the sentences here and look at the picture and make the sentence has to or doesn't have to. Yes, Kemalit.
Does have to no, does do the dishes.
He doesn't have to do the dishes. Yes, because most likely his mother finished doing the dishes, so he doesn't have to do the dishes because they're finished. Thank you. He doesn't have to do the dishes. Okay, yes, Mohamed Ali.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, can you please give a sentence about what he has to do or doesn't have to do?
Tony walked the dog. No,
You have to use
he
has to or doesn't have to.
doesn't have to.
Full sentence again.
No.
Tony
Tony feed the.
Tony doesn't have to.
Doesn't have to.
Tony doesn't have
Dog. Tony doesn't have to walk the dog.
Tony doesn't have to walk the dog, okay, or has to walk the dog. Thank you very much, okay. Yes. Yes, can you hear me? I don't know, there's something wrong with this. I cannot open Yaz's microphone. Yes, Sena. Can you hear me, Sena?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, can you give me a sentence with have to or has to? For example, Tony has to clean the room. Tony doesn't have to walk the dog. Tony, repeat after me. Tony, repeat after me, Sena.
Tony
Has to
has to
feed the cat.
feed the cat.
Yes, Tony has to feed the cat. Yes, Nehir. Give me one more sentence, Nehir, but it's not working. I don't know why I can't open your microphone, Nehir. I can't turn it on. Mohammed, no. Can you hear me?
Teacher,
Yes, Mohammed, no. Hello? Is this Mohammed, no, or Nehir? Which one is it? He has to take out the trash. He has to take out the trash. He doesn't have to make a cake. He doesn't have to make a cake. Okay, so these are the chores he has to do. Now we're going to move to page number 29. We are going to move to page number 29. And in page number 29, we're going to look at the topic of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Now, present continuous tense is a tense that shows activity that we do now. What am I doing? I am talking. What am I doing? I am looking at the computer. Looking at the computer. What am I doing? I am writing. So we put ing to the verb. What am I doing? I am playing. Okay? ing to the verb. So now we are going to watch a short video about present continuous tense. We'll watch a short video about present continuous tense, and then we'll go to our big thinker books. So please carefully watch the video. watching TV. What is she is knocking on the door. I opening the curtains. She's changing the channel on the television. What's happening that are happening now? Now it is okay. So now we'll look at positive sentence. This is the end of the video. Now we're going to look at how we use present continuous in a sentence. How can we write a present continuous sentence? How can we write a present continuous sentence? So in this picture, we're talking about positive sentences. We use the subject I, you, he, she, it, and we use am is are, am, or I, and we add the verb, it will become watching, and television, okay? You, he, she, it, we use is, he, positive sentences. Now, how the same? I am not, so not. This is for negative sentences. We'll write not watching television. So this is not, or you aren't, okay? So you are not television. And the same thing for he is not, or he isn't, negative sentence. Now, for our questions, how do we make questions? For questions, now we're going to look at question sentences. How do we make questions? Am is are, and we'll take them to the beginning of the sentence. So we'll take this at the beginning of the sentence before I. The same thing for this. And the same thing for this. We'll take it at the beginning of the sentence. For example, how do you ask this question? Am I watching television? Watching television. Are you watching television? Is he watching television? So these words here, subject. Am I watching television? Are you watching television? Is he watching television? Okay, so this is what present continuous is about. This is what present continuous is about. Now, before we start the activity on page 28, I just want to ask a few sentences. I'll give you a sentence, you make it into a negative sentence or a question. For example, I'm watching television. If I tell you to change it to negative, you'll say, I'm not watching television. If I tell you to change it to a question, am I watching television? So I will give you a sentence and you change it to a negative or a question sentence. Okay, let me start with Bengi Shifa. Can you hear me, Bengi? No, not Ines, but Bengi. Where's Bengi? I lost her. Okay. Bengi Shifa. I'll give you a sentence and I want you to change it to the negative sentence. Okay. I am eating. Can you change this to something negative?
I don't eat.
No, I am eating. I showed you the sentences when I was showing you this. I don't eat. I am eating. What's the negative form? We put not after I am. Please?
Eating cake.
Again, repeat.
I'm not eating cake.
Okay, so this is the negative sentence. I'm not eating cake. So, can someone please change this to the question? Change this to the question. Yes, Max Taha. I'm eating cake. Bengi Shifa said, I'm not eating cake. Now change it to a question. Question. Soru. Change it to a question, please. Okay, Max, please listen carefully. Yes, Mohammed Ali.
Am I eating cake?
Very good. Am I eating cake? So we move am is are and we move it to the beginning of the sentence. Very good. All right, another sentence. I am not swimming. This is a negative sentence. I am not swimming. Can you change this to a question sentence? Doruk. I am not swimming. Can you change this to a question sentence? I am not swimming. Yes, Doruk. Change it to a question sentence.
Teacher, cümleyi tekrar alır mısınız?
I am not swimming.
I am swimming.
Question. Am I swimming? It's this easy, guys. Pay attention, please. Okay. All right. Okay, now I want you to open your Big Thinker books to page number 28. Big Thinker books, page 28. Go to activity number 5. Page 28, activity number 5. So here we have a paragraph, and this is an email, a short message using email, okay? So here, there are some problems in the paragraph. There are some problems in, how are you doing, cousin? I have $24 in my money box, but I want to get $50 to buy a bowl. I love not feed, but feeding the cat. So this is one of the problems. So here, we're going to find and correct the mistakes. There are problems here. We're going to find and correct the mistakes. So let's do this together, okay? So first I will read, I'll find the mistakes, and in your books with your pencils, can you please change those mistakes, okay? You will erase with your pencil, and on top, you will write the correct answer. Okay, so I will start reading the email. Hi, Joe. How are you doing, cousin? I now have $24 in my money box, but I want to get to $50 to buy a bowl. I love feeding, so this is the correct answer. I love feeding the cat, and I like taking the dog for a walk. Now here there is a big problem because we're supposed to erase the E, okay? Take, yes, take is T-A-K-E, but when we add I-N-G to it, we will erase the E. So I love feeding the cat and I like taking the dog for a walk. Please erase the letter E. Erase the letter E, okay? I'm going on. But I hate to do the dishes and I don't like clean my bedroom. I don't like clean my bedroom. Does anyone want to help? Does anyone know what the problem is here? There's a problem here. What is the problem here? What's the mistake here? Let me ask one person. Who can give me the answer? Who can give me the answer? Yakup Eren, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so can you read the sentence from but and then give me the correct answer here? But?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Hi, Joe. How are you?
From but here.
What, teacher?
But here, look at the computer here.
Yes.
But. Yes, don't start with hi Joe. No, not there.
Hi, yes.
But.
I don't like practicing piano. Mom says
No.
I do.
Yakup Eren, here, we're here.
But I had in my bedroom. I like playing the guitar, but I don't like piano.
Let me do it myself. But I'm doing. So to do, doing. I'm sorry. Let me just do. Look like this. Look at this. I And he's doing the dishes, and I don't. So this one will be cleaning. You put cleaning. Cleaning my bedroom. Okay, thank you very much. Finish. We have 2 minutes. Alpna, do you mind doing the rest of the paragraph? Okay, like practicing. So we erase the E here. If I do everything this week, she will give me the money I want. What do you think, Tony? Okay, so have you finished? I know Alex has a problem and it keeps on breaking. Did you finish changing the paragraphs, the mistakes on the paragraphs? Did you finish? Yes or no?
Duyamıyorum da. Sizi anlayamıyorum.
Did you finish changing the paragraphs? The words in the paragraph? Did you finish? Okay, Matt said he finished. Dohan, did you finish? Adrian, Sena, did you finish? Guys, I gave you the answer. I gave you the answers here. We're doing this paragraph. We are editing it. Okay, so now what I want you to do is do that paragraph, activity number 5, take a picture and send it to me on WhatsApp, okay? We have 1 minute, so thank you very much. Have a lovely lesson.